Knitters and crocheters, have we got the ultimate colorwork course for you? Welcome to Camp Colorwork. I'm Marley Bird, and this is
Robin Chichula.
We have created the most wonderful Camp Colorwork online course dedicated for knitters and crocheters just like you who love colorwork but aren't sure how to do it or what are all the possibilities.
What we've created is it's not just your regular run-of-the-mill workshop where you're going to do one thing in one pattern. No. We have gone colorwork explosive. We have things that start easy. So if you are a beginner out there, come with us. If you are super advanced, come along with us. So it goes through every part of color that you could even imagine.
Basically, we have taken all the different colorwork techniques that are available out there for knitters and crocheters and put them together in one all-inclusive colorwork online course. Along with the instructions on how to work all the techniques, we are providing 6 brand new patterns just for you and 8 additional bonus patterns that you could use to try out the different techniques. There are pattern PDFs, there are workshops, there are 63 brand new instructional videos taught by experts in the field. I've been doing this over 20 years. Robin's been doing this over 20 years. We both have been experts on the Knit and Crochet Now television show. I'm an ambassador for Yarnspirations Yarn, and we have been business owners in this industry for almost 17 years. So the quality of content you're going to receive in this online course is unbelievable. It's so much fun. If you've ever thought to yourself, gosh, I have this stash of yarn in all these colors, I'm just not exactly sure what to do with it, come and join us. We will walk you down a path to show you what kind of creativity you can get with this beautiful, colorful yarn, mix and match colors so that you can get some really great results. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced beginner, this is the course for you. You're gonna love it. Come and join us for the super low price for this kind of content. You're not going to find this anywhere else. So we hope you will join us for Camp Colorwork and be one of our fellow campers. Talk to you guys again soon.